The 10 most advanced AI humanoid robots in the world, 2024. In today's video, rapidly evolving technological landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, has made significant strides in the field of robotics. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI humanoid robots are becoming increasingly prevalent in various industries. With advancements in machine learning and robotics, these robots are now capable of performing complex tasks that were once thought to be impossible for machines. In this video, we will explore the 10 most advanced AI humanoid robots in the world in 2024, showcasing the cutting-edge technology and innovation that is shaping the future. Introduction. AI humanoid robots are designed to mimic human-like movements and behaviors, with the ability to interact with their environment and make decisions autonomously. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors, processors, and algorithms that enable them to perceive and respond to the world around them. As we delve into the world of AI humanoid robots, we will witness the incredible potential of these machines to revolutionize various industries and enhance the way we live and work. 1. Sophia. Sophia, created by Hong Kong-based Hanson Robotics, is one of the most recognizable humanoid robots in the world. With its lifelike appearance and sophisticated AI capabilities, Sophia has been featured in numerous media outlets and has even been granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Sophia is powered by artificial intelligence and is capable of holding natural conversations, recognizing faces, and interpreting human emotions. 2. Asimo. Asimo, developed by Honda, is a humanoid robot known for its advanced mobility and agility. With its ability to walk, run, and climb stairs, Asimo has demonstrated impressive dexterity and coordination. Asimo also has the capability to interact with humans through gestures and voice commands, making it a versatile and user-friendly robot for various applications. 3. Pepper. Pepper, created by SoftBank Robotics, is a humanoid robot designed for social interaction and customer service. With its expressive design and friendly demeanor, Pepper has been deployed in various settings, such as retail stores and hospitals, to assist customers and provide entertainment. Pepper's AI capabilities enable it to engage in conversations, recognize emotions, and adapt to different environments seamlessly. 4. Atlas. Atlas, developed by Boston Dynamics, is a humanoid robot known for its remarkable agility and mobility. With its advanced sensors and control systems, Atlas can navigate rough terrain. Atlas showcases the potential of AI technology to enable robots to work in complex and dynamic environments, opening up new possibilities for applications in various industries. 5. iCub. iCub, developed by the Italian Institute of Technology, is a humanoid robot equipped with advanced sensors and actuators that mimic human-like dexterity and perception. iCub has been used in research laboratories to study human cognition and behavior, showcasing the potential of AI robots to enhance our understanding of the brain and advance neuroscience research. 6. Now. Now, created by SoftBank Robotics, is a humanoid robot designed for education and research purposes. With its compact size and friendly design, Now has been widely used in schools and universities to teach programming, robotics, and artificial intelligence. NAO's interactive capabilities and customizable programming make it an ideal platform for learning and experimentation. 7. Valkyrie. Valkyrie, developed by NASA, is a humanoid robot designed for space exploration and planetary missions. With its robust design and advanced capabilities, Valkyrie has been used in research and development projects to prepare for future Mars missions. Valkyrie showcases the potential of AI robots to assist humans in exploring extreme environments and conducting complex tasks in space. 8. Molly. Molly is a humanoid robot designed for culinary tasks and cooking. With its dexterous hands and advanced AI technology, Molly can prepare a wide variety of dishes with precision and efficiency. Molly's ability to learn and replicate human movements in the kitchen demonstrates the potential of AI robots to enhance our culinary experiences and revolutionize the food industry. 9. Ever 3. Ever 3, developed by the University of Edinburgh, is a humanoid robot designed for social robotics, research, and human-robot interaction. With its expressive face and interactive capabilities, Ever 3 can engage in natural conversations, recognize gestures, and adapt to social cues. Ever3's advanced AI algorithms enable it to learn and interact with humans in a meaningful and empathetic way. 10. Robothespian. Robothespian, created by Engineered Arts, is a humanoid robot designed for entertainment and performance. Robothespian has been used in theaters and exhibitions to engage audiences and deliver interactive performances. Robothespian showcases the potential of AI robots to entertain and inspire creativity in diverse settings. In conclusion, the 10 most advanced AI humanoid robots in the world in 2024 represent the cutting-edge technology and innovation that is shaping the future of robotics. From social interaction to space exploration, these robots are revolutionizing various industries and pushing the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence. As we continue to develop and deploy AI human robots, we can expect to see even more impressive capabilities and applications emerge, transforming the way we live and work in the years to come. Explore the top 10 most advanced AI humanoid robots in the world in 2024, showcasing cutting-edge technology and innovation shaping the future of robotics. With the rapid advancement of technology, AI humanoid robots have become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in robotics. The 10 most advanced AI humanoid robots in the world in 2024 demonstrate the incredible potential of artificial intelligence to enhance our lives and redefine the future of technology. Thank you very much for watching your video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.